Welcome back to the garage on another 90+ degree day. The sun is off to the side, so hopefully the lighting works a little better here. We've got a fourth tire inflator. This is the DWW cordless tire inflator, battery operated, similar design. We've got four cars. This is the fourth tire inflator, so this might be the end of it. This one is an even better value. This is I'll put it somewhere over here probably. This is $49 list price. I got it for 50% off coupon, so $25 plus tax out the door. That's a value. Let's see what it's got. Okay, so here's the box. Still got the tape on it. Let's see what's inside there. Wow, that is very tidy. Let's see. We have an inflation hose, a accessory bag. Okay, we've got some tips, Type-C charge cord. And then on this side, we've got the device itself. A manual with a little quick start card. Hey, this all looks pretty nice. So let's, what do we got on the face of the device here? Oh, this is my favorite, the peel, the full face peel. Look at that. I love it. Okay, let's see if it'll power up. Probably hold. Okay, car, PSI, interesting pill-shaped battery gauge. Okay, so this is the mode switch. It goes to bike, motorcycle, or motorcycle then bike, ball, user preset. So car, that would be motorcycle, bicycle, ball, user preset. And it's on PSI. So there's another button here, U, what is that? Units, bar, kPa, kilogram per square centimeter. And that stays oh, I love this. So you set your unit and you set your desired preset, and then you can go up and down. So if I set this preset for this motorcycle to 55, and I go around, it saved it at 55. I like it. There's a light button here. Oh, there's the light. So on, blinking, SOS, off. Okay. And it has Type-C input here and the inflator port. It does not look like this has a power bank mode. There are cooling vents on the back, on the top, and on the bottom. One of the things this thing touts is some sort of improved turbo cooling. So we'll see how the effectiveness of that is. It doesn't make any really outrageous claims other than they say the cooling is super great. So we're probably just going to do a continuous run and see if it'll run from full to empty without overheating in the heat of summer. That'll be a good test. So how do we turn it off? Press and hold off. Oh, it tells you. Very nice. Okay, let me get this on the charger and we will be back and set up to do a continuous run when it's full. Okay, so that is full. It has a screw-on type air chuck, and it does screw onto itself. So that means you can put these tips directly into the end to like fill up your beach ball or whatever. So that is a neat feature that I really appreciate from the previous one I looked at. So let's put the air hose in here. It would be nice if they incorporated swivel fittings on these. On that end. So put the air hose in there. I will connect it to my tank. And I'm going to do the same thing. I will modulate the tank to maintain more or less car tire pressures through the course of the inflation. I did go through the entirety of the user manual here, And there is no mention of duty cycle. It does not say to run it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and then give it a rest period. There are indications talking about over temperature protections and shutdown, and if it does give you an over temp error E1 to let it wait for 10 minutes and then resume. But it does not say anything about continuous run. So we're going to try that and see what we get. Let me hold down the power button. Power's up, and we'll figure out which way the air comes through this. So I'll probably be setting it on its side to not block anything. It is set for 55 psi. Oh, so I did set that. I changed that before I turned it off, and it kept that. So that is also another great thing. If your car is going to have a certain set point, so you just set it on here, and it will keep it through power cycles. So let's start. Let me kick off a timer here. Okay, so that's the end there. We saw the low battery light indicating blinking low battery. Let's see if it powers back on. Oh, it didn't hold it long enough. Okay, it powers back up. Looks like it'll run a little bit more, probably a few more, 30 seconds at a time cycles to fully deplete the battery before it's done. But there was a nice steady stream of warm air coming out the bottom. Not as much as I would have thought, but the casement is toasty, not that bad, honestly. This thing fared great. It ran for 25 minutes, 29 seconds. Yeah, it's non-stop, didn't overheat. For $25, this is a value. I love the user interface, the ability to set units that it will save what you set it to. I presume for each of those settings. It's fantastic. It's about a pound, not too bad. Has a nice little carry bag. Accessory tips, you can plug the accessory tips right into the end of it. This is a value. I like it. Thanks for watching.